Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why this body makeup brush is a must-have in my beauty products. This GOERTI professional body makeup brush is so awesome. I absolutely love it. It feels so soft and incredible. It's got nice, like dense, soft bristles, so it is non-shedding, which I absolutely love. It's the perfect size to grip in your hand and use all over your body. It's great for like self-tanning lotion or mousse to get in all those little nooks and crannies so that you're able to get in your knuckles, elbows, knees, feet, wherever. And you're not going to have those harsh orange lines. You can see how it blended so beautifully and you can barely tell the difference. Of course, the tan hasn't developed yet, so don't look at that. But I just love that you can't even tell that I used it. It's great for makeup. You can use it as obviously a contour brush like I'm doing, and it's going to blend everything seamlessly. I love that you can use it as a kabuki brush, so you can do liquid foundation, you can use your powder. It's so versatile on everything that it can do. It's great for if you want to use like as a sunscreen brush. I know it's been nice to use that instead of having to try to rub it in with my hands. All over, I love this thing. I use it, like I said, on my body. I will get like a little bronzy, highlighty glow, and I love that feeling of just kind of looking sun-kissed. Fake it till you make it, right? So just in these months when I have no color, I'm gonna give myself a little extra, especially when I'm wearing something lighter. And y'all, this brush is perfection for that. If you're like me and you could use a little extra color with body bronzer, this is the perfect body makeup brush for you, and that is my point of view.